What's up, you guys? Happy Sunday. Today is September 19th and it is my bridal shower. My bridal shower starts at 11 o'clock, but it is an hour away. So I need to leave here by 10. It's 8:30 now. I have an hour and a half. I've already done some of my makeup, pretty much just the eye region. So I need to finish my makeup, do my hair, and then steam my outfit and then put it on. I will share all the details with you guys about my outfit later on in the video. I also thought it might be kind of fun to get a little vlog footage at the actual like bridal shower venue. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to get. I know it's gonna be kind of crazy. Carla's side of the family and my side of the family, some of them will be meeting for the first time. Isn't that crazy? We've been together for 4 years, but half of our relationship was during a pandemic, so it made it kind of difficult. So it's gonna be kind of hectic, but I'm gonna try my best to get some good vlog footage. I'm not gonna do like a step-by-step what I do for makeup. It's just gonna take too long. So I'm actually gonna finish up my makeup. Oh, by the way, really look at this. Are you kidding me? This morning I bent over super fast in the bathroom and my forehead hit the corner of a cabinet. Took an entire chunk just right out of my forehead. I really just know how to F shit up when it's like right before an event. Like, why do I do this to myself? Why? So anyway, I am just going to finish my coffee and get ready. Actually, speaking of coffee, I got a new coffee from Javi Coffee. They actually sent it over for me to try with some of the cutest little reusable straws. Oh, it's just so cute. Javi Coffee is actually a coffee concentrate, so all you have to do is put like 2 teaspoons in a liquid of your choice, stir it up, add some ice, you're good to go. And it is so good. So good. So I don't know if they gave me a discount code. Honestly, I can't quite remember, but I will have all of Javi Coffee's info linked below. You guys have got to give them a try. It is so good. Anyway, let's get on with this makeup. So I know I have lash extensions, but whenever I go somewhere where I just want my eyes to pop a little more, I always put on some just regular mascara over top of them. It makes my lashes darker, longer, thicker. I just love the way it looks. So I'm gonna pop some mascara on just my top lashes and then let it dry while I do some other things, because I want this wound of mine to heal as much as it can before I put makeup on it. So, oh, you guys, it's so bad for me. I'm just a mess, a literal mess. All right, you guys, so this is my dress. It's super wrinkly right now, which is why I need to steam it, but it is not like a stark white. It's kind of an off-white, silky material, has the buttons going down the front. Now, the issue with this is it's not too tight. It's not too tight at all, but it's those buttons that just pull no matter what. So irritating. So I tried my best to run a stitch down the front so that nobody could tell, but you could definitely tell. I really screwed it up. But also it's better than seeing my boobs through the dress, so we're just gonna leave it. I got it from Shein. It's in a 3X. Not stretchy, but it fits perfectly. It kind of comes in at the waist a little bit and then flares out. I actually am going to cut or X-Acto knife these belt loops off because they're just ugly. Just plain and simple, ugly. So this is the dress that I desperately need to steam. So I have my steamer here. I just need to plug it in and get going on it. All right, while the steamer is heating up, I'll show you guys my shoes for the day. They are these white chunky heels from Forever 21. They're actually my sister's that she's letting me wear, but I ordered her own pair. I ordered her a new pair, so I'm just gonna keep these. And they're wide fit for your wide-footed girl. Also, I'm a size 10, but she's a 9, but these fit perfectly. So if you guys are interested in these, maybe size down. I also ordered them in black. So they are so comfortable. They are so cute. I was like walking around the house in them. That's why they still have the tags on. Oh, I just love. There's something sticky right there. But even though the dress is like an off-white and these are white, it still looks super cute. So I don't think you need to be matchy-matchy, you know? It works out. Oh, all right, well, there goes that tag. I got on the Forever 21 site to reorder, like I said, for my sister, and I just put in white chunky heels, and I believe they're the only ones that are the wide fit ones. It just says shoes / open toe white. there you go. I'll try to find them again and link them below. All right, so I am just going to, I feel like I almost don't want my hair to be like super curled. So I might just run some loose waves through my hair and see how I like that, which is what I'm doing now. I'm just using my favorite freaking curling iron ever. It's the Babyliss Pro, I don't know, baby blue one. And it's like, I think 1 inch. So I always just split my hair in two and then start from the back. And as I'm done curling, I throw the hair to the back. So I'm just gonna do really loose curls. And I never curl the ends because I want them to be more like waves, not actual curls. All right, once I have one side done, I'll just spray it with some hairspray and let it sit, and then I brush out the curls later. All right, let me do this other side and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, this is the final look. Dress is from Shein. Like I said, I'll have it linked below. I freaking love it. I think it looks so good. I'm gonna do a full body in the mirror. Okay, this is like an overview of what everything looks like with the shoes. My spray tan is the worst. Like, look at down by my ankles. Look at my knees. Honestly, oh well. But yeah, I love it. I'm also wearing that bride clip in my hair. Thought that was a cute little touch. And yeah, I'm freaking ready to go. And whoever gets, you don't want to wins. That's pretty easy. Oh, that's easy. So that means you can still drink and do this. Yeah, I know. Obviously, that's what I said. Oh, thanks. Who has the groom? Oh my God.
He's just wearing the mask.
Oh my God! I love this! Oh my gosh! Who'd you get? Oh my gosh! I don't either. 15! Sunrise or sunset? Sunrise. 100%. There's nothing better than eating avocado toast out of my face. That is true. How about my third patio? Already.
Can you sit back, please? Pretty bad.
Oh my. What is
It's your gift. What do you mean?
I'm gonna cry already.
Let me see them tears. I know what's in here. Hold on, hold on.
hard because it's mirrored. Okay, wait. There we go. Oh my gosh, how cute.
I'm gonna send it to Carlos. Do you know these people?
It's me, ma'am.
No, thank you.
Can I have a close-up?
I'm giving up the bank. Anything I can.
That's so cute. Thank you. It is so true. Really struggling today. Like really. Hey! Alright, we just got back from the bridal shower, you guys. It was the most amazing freaking event. So cute. I'm so glad that everybody who hadn't met each other yet got to meet each other. We got to mingle. It was just overall like the best time. I just took my shoes off. Those shoes were actually super comfortable, like super comfortable. I feel like, I don't know, I just had literally the best time. So I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link everything I can down below. If you guys are here for that wedding content, do not forget to subscribe. Yes, I said wedding. I think that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.